Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says repeated unit of chromatin has A 200 bases in DNA, B positively charged core, C both A and B, D none of these. तो इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर करने के लिए we will use the key concept of packaging of DNA helix. जैसे कि हमें पता है that chromatin has a bead on string like structure. Bead on string structure. And these beads are the repeated unit of chromatin, जिसको बोला जाता है nucleosomes. Now nucleosome has two parts. पहला part है the histone core. So histone core composed है of 8 histone proteins जो कि rich है in amino acids lysine and arginine. So these are rich in lysine and arginine. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है that lysine and arginine are basic amino acid residue and therefore this histone core is positively charged. दूसरा कंपोनेंट है our DNA. We know that DNA is negatively charged क्योंकि it has a negatively charged phosphate backbone. तो ये negatively charged DNA histone core के around wrapped रहता है and almost 146 base pair of DNA wrapped रहता है around these histone core. और जैसे कि bead like structures हम बोले थे, this region is the linker region जो कि composed है of about 20 to 80 base pair. So the total DNA जो surround करता है the histone core along with the linker DNA is around 200 base pair. So this entire structure is called the nucleosome structure और यही है the repeated unit of the chromatin. So हमारा पहला option 200 bases of DNA भी correct है. Option B positively charged core ये भी सही है because the histone core is composed of the histone proteins which are rich in lysine and arginine. So the final answer to our question is both A and B. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.